So we know everybody gets real excited when Duke comes out, puts in your meter, and you're ready to turn your system on. So first thing you're going to do, locate the solar breaker in your main electrical panel. Make sure that gets turned on. Next thing you'll do is make sure if you have a dual inverter system, you're going to have a sub panel that's got 2 more breakers for the inverters. Make sure both of those are on as well. Then we're going to go outside. You have an AC disconnect. This is the main disconnect for your system. This is so that if there's any issue, the fire department needs to come out and turn the system out. They can hit this one switch. So we'll make sure that's on. Next thing we'll do is now we're going to give power to the arrays. In order to allow the arrays to send power to the inverter, which will change it from DC to AC to power your home, got to turn these black knobs into the on position. From here, we're going to have a little bit of a wait. The next thing you want to do is underneath, you've got these switches right here. These switches need to be in the on mode. So that's where that little dash is. And that will allow them to produce power. So what's going to happen is they're going to go through a wake up. It's going to take about 5 minutes. After they go through that wake up mode, everything will cycle through and they'll start to produce power. Once you get through your initial 5-minute warm-up period, and then it'll take probably another 15 minutes after that, what will happen is it's going to count off each of the modules hooked up to that inverter. So in here we got 30, and we can see that all 30 are reporting and happy. When you first turn it on, you may see it start at the low number, 1, 2, 3, and it'll slowly count up. After about 30 minutes, you should see it match 30 out of 30 or whatever the number is of panels hooked up to your inverter. So once you keep that, you'll know that all panels are working. If one drops off, that can happen sometimes with a communication issue, kick back on, but if you see consistently that the number is less than what it should be, then we'll know there's a little bit of an issue. We can come back out and fix it. Top right corner, you can see what the AC wattage, the output of that inverter is at any given time. So right now this inverter is producing 3,500 watts. If you hit this little button underneath, you can cycle through a couple different views, be able to see kilowatt hour production over the day, month, year, and total. But all this stuff will be visible inside of the data monitoring app that's included with your purchase and that you can open up on your cell phone or on your computer. From there, you're producing power and enjoying that clean energy from the sun.